Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and time for another Love Bite. A simple 9 card spread, Taurus. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's begin. Let's begin your read and let's see what shows up. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Oh my God. Choices, Taurus. Among lovers. Let's see. Having to make a choice, Taurus. Overall energy of this read is 8 of Cups, leaving something behind which is no longer emotionally satisfying you. So there is a choice that has to be made. There's an inner conflict going on between what to choose. There could be new love, there could be somebody coming back from your past. So I do see somebody here in deep contemplation regarding what will keep them happiest. So what I'm going to do, Taurus, I'm going to first take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other now, what that would be. And after that, I will do the clarification. So Spirit Taurus and their person, they could say something to each other now. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Take a few more from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Okay. And another couple from here. Taurus and their person. It's almost like somebody is trying to make up their mind about whose heart to break. There could be more than one options here. Okay. The first card here says, Taurus, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel. So I don't think I'm going effing crazy. This could be your person. Maybe somebody suspects that you are torn between them and somebody else. I'm going to repeat this card. I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit I don't like your ego. You say that I'm your divine true love and that I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence so much that I felt the pain might only end if I no longer existed. So this could be a past person. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. This could be a new person. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. My feelings for you are now platonic. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. So maybe somebody is deciding between leaving somebody behind who they have now platonic feelings for. Maybe they don't satisfy them. Maybe thinking of leaving all emotional unhappiness and walking forward to find that Two of Cups, getting out of all this confusion, stagnancy in their life. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always, Taurus. Let's see what my angels have for you, then I'm going to clarify all these cards. So, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus, please, my angels. Blessings of abundance. Oh my God, wow. So don't worry about whatever, Taurus. Your life is going to be full of blessings of abundance now. Okay, believe in that. You on your own are blessed. All right, so let's see. Spirit, Two of Wands for Taurus. What's this Two of Wands? Two of Wands is normally a card of a person deciding between two options. Yes, shutting down one chapter of your life and maybe starting another, but the decision hasn't been made yet, it seems, Taurus. Somebody's still waiting and evaluating and deciding. Things may be very stagnant at the moment from what I feel. Maybe because of somebody's already in a commitment, which has kind of slowed down, or there's no movement there. This could be ending this chapter of a commitment and thinking of what lies ahead. So what lies ahead, Spirit? What is this Knight of Cups doing here? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Ooh, Two of Cups. My God, this is a soulmate waiting to happen, it seems. Somebody wants to fight for their person because they recognize this is my Two of Cups. Somebody wants to be emotionally open and offer you emotional happiness. They don't want you to hold back or, keep yourself guarded all the time. They want you to open up to them and receive this love that is waiting for you. But then why is there a Five of Wands, Spirit? What's this conflict? Again, the two of Wands again, because there are two people here, I think, Taurus. There's a mental conflict going on because one person can't figure out what to do. This is like frozen in time, not moving ahead at all, not taking that first baby step to make a decision. Still going back and forth, still thinking about returning, sometimes thinking of moving ahead, sometimes thinking of returning, going back and forth, trying to evaluate all the time. Should I not? Should I not? Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Somebody's afraid. They can't, I don't think they are listening to their intuition right now. I think somebody's stuck between two options here, or they just want to be more clear about which decision to make. There is a big decision here. I mean, the Lovers is again a card of having to make a big choice or a very big decision. What's this Lovers card, Spirit? What's this Lovers card? To have a fresh new beginning or not to. Yes, or to go back to the past. Should I leap off this cliff? Should I jump off this cliff and have a brand new beginning? Or is that something foolish that I'll be doing? Or should I just go back to what I know, which is safe? So, Three of Swords, Spirit. Who's heartbroken here? Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. There's too much tension here, Taurus. Look at this. This is like overthinking every situation possible. Anything that you're deciding, I think, makes you feel it's going to break a heart, right? So that's why instead of moving or doing anything like something that will actually push you into one direction, all this person is doing is keeping themselves chained and bound and stressed out. Half, the mind says, I want to leave all this conflict and move on to a happier space in my life. But the minute you do decide to do that, you feel it's going to create some kind of imbalance. Then there's a stoppage here. Not moving. I mean, it's heartbreaking to see somebody this confused. I mean, I'm feeling heartbroken at the moment because somebody here is totally stressed out. Totally stressed out, not knowing which way to go, keeping themselves in hermit mode, trying to maybe find the answers from within, or hermit spirit, hermit, hermit, hermit. Yes, again the decision is here. Again the choice. Blindfolded, totally, two swords on your chest. Which way should I go? Should I make a choice? Should I not make a choice? Should I just allow life to flow the way it's flowing? In divine timing, things will happen. Or should I just drop this burden altogether? Unable to make a choice, unable to make a decision. Hanged man spirit, hanged man in reverse. Hanged man in reverse. Yes, just delaying the inevitable, I feel here, Taurus. Just trying to delay the inevitable. This is a card of delay, and spending all this time not getting enlightened to what your heart truly wants, but stressing, staying in darkness, not being able to sleep at night, overthinking and stressing. Six of Cups. Why is the Six of Cups here, Spirit? Six of Cups. Wow. I don't know what this is, Taurus. I'm not even going to comment, but something is going to... I don't know. There is a coming back of something. There is a transformation happening. Whatever you choose, I think whatever you choose, I'm not going to give you my advice here because it's not my place and it's not a personal reading. But just know that whatever you choose is going to put you into a very good place. You're showing up as still the Empress. There's a huge transformation happening. A new life is being birthed here, which is going to make you feel extremely happy. Extremely happy. Yes, you're worried. Yes, I can see that. But what decision you're going to make is going to totally depend on your personal, reading or whatever. But as a general, I feel whatever choice, whatever decision you will eventually make, your heart knows it. You're already in the hermit mode. Your heart will tell you which way to go. Blessings of abundance, Empress and the Nine of Cups. I mean, 3 gorgeous cards to get. So don't overthink this. Whatever your heart says, just go with that, Taurus. You're going to be making the right decision. Okay? That's all I have for you right now. I will meet you again next Thursday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.